then let me tell you something. There is this kind of pain, that people go through, that only a few people understands. I mean the pain of your wife or your girlfriend even forgetting your birthday, anniversaries, even Valentine's Day. Let me tell you a story about my next door neighbor when I was in Nigeria. His name is Tunde. So Tunde's birthday was coming up and he was actually so excited. He actually was waiting for his wife to say something or mention something about his birthday. Or better still, ask him, babe, what do you want for your birthday? But madam didn't say anything. So Tunde was like, maybe she's planning a surprise for me, that kind of thing now. Now so, birthday morning came. Madam woke up after prayers. They all went to their different duties and she went out. He went to the office. Afternoon, no call. So when he came back in the night, he was like, babe, do you know today is my birthday? I beg you. The thing is that when they affect women, they also affect men, Men, they forget. Now, so women too, they forget. Nobody is perfect. So she was like, babe, is it today? My neighbor almost fainted. What? He was like, he didn't expect his wife to forget his birthday. So, all the men in the house, I want to ask you, have you found yourself in this kind of situation? If a woman has ever forgotten your special day, your birthday, your anniversary, just drop a reaction for me in the comments below. Make we foresee how many people, how many men this kind of thing don't happen to. Make I know whether only Tunde did that boots.
Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Peace and this is Savvy Life Coach channel, where we dive deep into personal growth, relationship advice and everything in between. So if you are looking for how to be the best version of yourself, improve your relationships, whether it's with family, friends or that special someone, you are in the right place. I am telling you. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. By so doing, you won't miss any of my life-changing tips and tutorials.
So today I will be helping all the men fix this problem once and for all, okay? I'm about to give you 4 powerful tricks to make sure that your wife or your girlfriend do not have to forget your special days. I mean your celebrations anymore. I call it the 4-step strategy. So the first strategy is for you to make it a shared experience. Truth is that women are emotional beings. They remember emotions and not dates. So instead of just saying, babe, my birthday is next week, which she is likely to forget, I think it's better you remind her of the experiences you both shared when last you celebrated her birthday together. And you can say something like, I can't wait to do something special again this year. The truth is that by connecting the date to a memory, a happy one at that, she is more likely to remember. Give it a try. Another thing to do is to involve her in the planning. Yes, involve her in the planning. If you want her to remember, make her a part of the plan. You can say, babe, I'm just thinking maybe we could go for a date on my birthday. Which woman wouldn't remember your birthday if you tell her such? If it's an anniversary, you can say, babe, I feel like we should just celebrate our anniversary in a special way this year. What do you think? When she feels included, she will start preparing. And believe me, once she starts planning, she won't forget. That's the truth. Third thing to do is for you to set up reminders for her. Yes, use her own system. Women are known for using reminders for everything. So you got to use that to your own advantage, bro. You can casually remind her in conversations. You can say something like, babe, this month is so special because it's our anniversary. Send her a voice note a week before. You can say, babe, just a gentle reminder that my birthday is next week. You can add something like, I just know you will make it special like you always do, okay? Also, get her to include it in her calendar. When you guys are talking, just say, babe, let me see your phone. Let's put this date in your reminders so we don't have to forget. Now you see she has no excuses at all. No more, I forgot, I was so busy. And the fourth strategy is to make her feel special whenever she remembers without you reminding her, okay? Women loves appreciation. Abi, who no love appreciation? When she remembers on her own, hype her, praise her. Say something like, babe, you are amazing. The fact that you remembered means a lot to me. It means I'm your special someone. Say, babe, you always make me feel special and I love you for that. The truth is that women loves to be appreciated. And whenever you appreciate your wife like that, she will even do more, okay? She will keep remembering, okay? She will not have to forget again. So like I mentioned in my previous video, also I will be giving you some mistakes that you should not make so as not to set yourself up as a man. Please don't assume that your wife will remember any special dates just because you mentioned it once. Please continue mentioning it, reinforce it. Also, don't guilt trip her if she forgets. What you have to do is to keep trying. Use the tricks I mentioned next time, okay? Please do not make it a competition. Don't say I always remember your birthdays but you never remember mine. That's not fair, okay? All you have to do is to make her feel involved and excited. All right, so now tell me in the comments, have your wife or your girlfriend ever forgotten a special date of yours? Also, for the ladies, if you are watching this for the first time and wondering, saying, what about the men? How can we make sure that our husbands don't forget our special dates? If you missed my previous video where I talked about how to make sure your husband never forgets your special day, don't worry, I've got you covered. Just check the pinned comments below and make sure to watch it after watching this. I will be seeing you in my next video.